Hello everyone, this is Brandon Yip presenting the Tableau. Generally, the data from the Excel file is of sales and profit made from selling laptop, desktop, and tablets in different regions of the United States of America from 2018 to 2019. The Excel sheet has only 10 columns and 7,170 rows of the data, and this is excluding the hidden row. The first column confirms that the data was collected only in USA. The second column is of the four regions, which are Central, East, West, and South. The third column is of the state. Fourth column is of the zip codes. The fifth column is of the cities. Sixth column is of the sales state. 7 columns categorize the items into departments. The 8 columns break down the departments, showing us individual items. The 9th column shows us the amount paid for every item, and the 10th column shows the profit from sales of every item. I tried to use pivot tables as suggested, but found out that it was not visually appealing staring at numbers as you can see below. I decided to use bar graphs in Tableau so as to better visually present the data. I noticed that the Tableau had not picked the negative values in the profit column. Actually, the negative values were there only that there were not many, and also I came to understand that Tableau was summing up all the profit realized from every sales in every state. On the Excel sheet I had to put on the filter, I could quickly see that there were some negative in the profit column. The screenshot above is the bar graph showing how the sales are in every region according to the departments. You can clearly see that laptops are the most sold, followed by the tablets, and lastly desktops. You can also observe that the West region contributes to most of the sales, followed by the East region, then the Central region, while the South region comes in as the last. The screenshot above shows the sales of the products in the region in each year. One can again clearly note that the South region has the least sales. You can see that the sales in 2018 were higher than in 2019. One can see that the Dell XPS laptop, followed by Acer laptop, are the best selling item across all the regions. The worst selling items are the Apple Mac desktop, followed by the Acer Aspire desktop. I included a profit marks to show how the items are faring well, adding more visual to it. The above two screenshots show us the sales of all the products in the region in each year, broken down to quarters. You can see that the sales in 2019, especially the fourth quarter, were very low. Again, one can see that Dell XPS laptop, followed by Acer laptop, are the best selling items across all the region. The worst selling items are the Apple Mac desktop, followed by the Acer Aspire desktop. I wanted to concentrate on the fourth quarter of 2019 to try and figure out why the sales went so low. The screenshot above is of a map showing us geographically the sales of all the products in the region. One can clearly see that Mississippi, South Carolina, and Louisiana are the least performing in cells. In Tableau, the map is interactive, so one toggle between filter for further insights. I learned a lot of, through a few errors that I made and tried to visually present well. Generally, sales in 2018 were higher than in 2019, meaning as the year passed by, sales have been reducing. They really dropped hard. For example, like in Louisiana, the fourth quarter of 2019 was the worst for all products in several states. I would recommend not selling Apple Mac desktop. Thank you, everyone.